Okay, old average bow here. This is old Blue. Say hi. The first upgrade we got, check this out. See, this window felt's all cracked and busted up. We're gonna replace that. It's a small mod, but those will tear your arms off. See, it's flaking right there. So we'll get this out. It basically just goes with clips that sit down in it. And you basically just pull it right out. So we'll get that out and show you how to install the new ones. I'll just take a screwdriver right in behind here. You can see the little clip. Let's see if you can see it right there. And I just kind of loosen it up a little bit. As you can see, it's dry right, falling apart. And then we will get a hold of this and pull it right on out. Just get a hold of her. Now it's been a little stubborn. You can see the old one there. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. The new one's very simple to install. Come from Rock Auto. You see how the clips are. And you see these little holes along the window channel. These just pop right in there. And that's it. And she's in. Just pushes right in, goes in the grooves. No more hurt arm driving down the road. Stay tuned for more videos from old Blue.